What is up, guys? It is me, back here again. Just want to clear some things up, because if you watched my videos with Melina, my girlfriend, and when I was editing them, thinking to myself, wow, I'm coming off as a real asshole sometime with some of the stuff I was saying to her, you know, being very sarcastic. And I don't want it to come across that way, that I'm an asshole to her, that I treat her wrong, which isn't the case. I treat her as best like a princess. Well, I do to an extent, and then when she gets, you know, like, too demanding, I put my foot down. Which you should do. Never let your girlfriend walk all over you. Ever. But, you know, just clear that up. And also, another thing, before you start into the rest of this video, context of what we're doing in this video. Well, Melina, her and her brother have puppies that are lab husky mixes, you know, and huskies are notorious for talking too fast, are notorious for howling. So this rest of this video is her brother's dog, Dante, the blonde one, trying to howl but sounding like a squeak toy at the same time. So yeah, our little dog, her dog, doesn't howl. For some reason, she will sit there and turn her head like this, you know, she'll do the whole confused bit, but she won't bark. She didn't bark once, or howl. Like, she didn't give any attempt to it. So, she doesn't howl. She's not a husky. She looks like a husky, but she isn't a husky, if you catch the drift. But, you know, so I'm gonna get the rest of this video playing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget, like button, subscribe down below, and catch you next time. Oh, he's not doing it now.
Oh, you're a naughty puppy.
Yeah. They're all... News is one shock absorbance. Can you see what one's new and what one's used?
Yeah.
Okay.